Welcome back, ladies, gentlemen, and envies, and thank you for tuning back into St. Andrew TV, a cure for your Monday blues. I am the Saint, and I am the Andrew, and today I am going to show you how to tie another wild rag knot or a neckerchief knot, whichever you prefer. The one I am wearing today is the Windsor Knot. You probably have learned this previously while your parents or your grandparents, whoever, taught you how to tie a formal tie. The basic steps still apply here today, except we are going to do it with something that you can wear out on the wild frontier. So let's get into it.
No one on the corner has a wagon like us. Hit me on my burner prepaid wireless. We pack and deliver like UPS trucks. Already gone to hell just pumping that gas. All I want to do is take your money. All I wanna do is and I take your money.
All right, as I am getting this untied here, we are going to start with the neckerchief fold it over itself into a big triangle. I hope everyone here knows what a triangle is by this point. If not, I don't think I'm going to be the one to help you. Start with it in this triangle or a 45 position, and you can look at it. You can send it around your neck like this. I tend to roll it once or twice because my neck is not that big in diameter, but since we have it to this position here, we are going to place it around our neck. We are not going to get it caught on our hat, and we're going to have our two tails down in front of us. They should be roughly the same length at this point. And yes, I know that you can see the Wyoming Traders tag. I'm aware, it's right here. And now it's gone. So now that we have it to this point, we are going to readjust our silk wild rag that is beautiful, and the little orange matches my shirt. We're going to make sure that our right hand or our left hand tail is a little bit longer than the one that you are going to be folding the other end over. And you'll get what I mean here in a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to yank on this a little bit, like so. And I'm going to have my right side longer than my left side because I'm right-handed. So with that being said, I'm going to take my right hand and have a piece of my tail of the wild rag in somewhere in my hand. Just grab it, okay? You're going to go over, just like tying a tie. The left side, you're going to come back around, and you're going to go over again. Anybody having nostalgia here about tying ties? Now that we're in this position here, we're going to come up through the neck, like so. And everybody's probably already done with it by now, but I will tell you anyway. You see this right here that we have created with our second go around of the neckerchief? We are going to take the end that just came up through our neck and we are going to slide it right through there. And if you did it correctly, your ends should be roughly the same length. And that is a pretty fine knot, if I do say so myself. You're probably also thinking to yourself, well, it is a little tight around my neck. Just give it a good pull and everything around your neck should loosen up and be even. And I usually bring my collar up to show that I'm a sophisticated frontiersman other than an unruly one. Now with the extra material that we put at the start of the video, you know, the end of the triangle that we made, or the 45, I did tuck it into my shirt, and it gives me a little more warmth. Silk is warmer than cotton, and that is nice to have if you go somewhere that's a bit chillier. You have another layer of clothing as a little bit more reinforcement to keep yourself warm. Phoenix hit 107 today, so probably not going to wear this one out and about. But that is it. It was a shorter video today, but I was pretty excited to share with you a new knot that I've recently found out that it was a part of Wild West history, the Windsor Knot. Now, down in the comments, you can tell me what it was actually called, but the easiest way to remember how to tie this particular knot is the Windsor Knot. We've all learned how to tie a tie at some point in our life, and I just figured, hey, let's do it with a wild rag instead. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed today's video, or leave me a comment stating what you liked, or tell me what I should do next. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed as of late, but for those of you who have come across this channel and you have yet to hit that subscribe button, think about doing so, because you're a daisy if you do.